Okay, this video gonna be show about my Gorilla Honda Monkey in electrics. See, show the overview of this 72 volt 2000 watt, I guess, because they said 3000 watt, but I'm not believe it because I spent many hours of this one. See, these controllers came with the motor over here, and this motor claim 3000 watt, but it doesn't matter because I use a box for 2000 watt. It worked fine. And this one said, see, 3000 watt is bullshit, you know. Is the 50 amp can be 3000 watt, should be like 80 amp, stuff like that. But take a look how to install this. I use the gold card. This is a gold card, and I make it adapter, so it worked fine. Yeah, and because it's T8F chain, so I'm not use a big chain because this I need to have a lot of torque and the RPM. So gonna be front display and drum brake. And this 2-pack of battery, it's only 16 amp. This is a controller that 64 volt is undervolted, so it means below 64 will be cut off to prevent battery damage. So this one, and I'm gonna show. So this is a sine wave. So when you twist a little bit, they're not gonna go that fast, so they kind of more feel like motorcycle. It's good when you like in the tropics. So let's see. Step this one down and spin up a little bit. Only one speed. I'm not gonna use the second speed yet. Very smooth there, and we go back here and we take a look at the end. I want to see how the wheel gonna be look like when it turn. Let's see. And the battery is very low now, so it should be faster because if we have the full charge of battery, so I can boost up a little bit. This is only 20S of the lithium ion 18650. One pack is about 80 cell, so total is 160 cell because they make a 2-pack. One pack is like 34 volt. It means 10S 8P. 8P is times by 2 amp. It's like 16 amp per pack. So it is total is like a 16 amp. It's more like just for fun around the block. It's not for the cruising. So gonna be end of the YouTube video. This is a monkey, the mini bike project. So it's kind of cool, It's a challenge because I want to install here the motor on the swing arm. I try to find a swing arm which can fit, and a little bit to split on the length, because normally this one is kind of here, the shock absorber, and it's longer, so I believe it's very long, spread longer, get easy for maneuver. And I haven't finished. This one is used to be engine, gonna be the battery bay, and I try to find a way to look better. The first thought I'm gonna put in the tank, but I don't know how to cut the tank and make it look nice. I try, but you know. So that's it, man. Let's go for the last spin before I sign off for tonight. Just need to go home. Okay, that is a side wave back and a soft start.